Myth: I've already had COVID, so I do not need the vaccine. You should still get the vaccine even if you've previously had COVID-19. When you get sick, your body works to build protection to keep you from getting sick again. We do not know how long this protection lasts, and sometimes people can get COVID-19 again. So it's best to get a vaccine because COVID-19 vaccines will keep you from dying or keep you from getting severely sick from COVID-19. Myth: the COVID vaccine will give me COVID-19. The 3 approved vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson, do not contain the virus that causes COVID-19. So you will not get COVID-19 from any of the vaccines. Myth: the vaccine was developed too quickly. The vaccines were studied on many people from many different backgrounds, including races, ethnicities, and ages. No shortcuts were taken when creating this vaccine, meaning researchers assessed the vaccines in multiple trials. Myth: I am worried there are too many side effects and people are having bad allergic reactions. It is going to make me sick or affect my liver or kidneys. Few people report having an allergic reaction. A healthcare professional will watch you for 15 minutes after getting your vaccine to make sure that you are feeling okay. If a person is going to have an allergic reaction, they will have that reaction within the first 15 minutes after getting their vaccine. You might feel sick after getting the vaccine, like have a fever, sore arm, maybe feeling a little tired, and that is normal. It just means your body is building protection against the virus. Myth: will the COVID vaccine affect my current pregnancy or ability to get pregnant? If you are trying to become pregnant now or in the future, you may receive a COVID-19 vaccine. There is no evidence that the COVID-19 vaccination causes issues with pregnancy. Pregnant people are at an increased risk for getting very sick from COVID-19. Lastly, there is no evidence that problems with fertility are a side effect of any vaccine, including the COVID-19 vaccine. Scientists are studying COVID-19 vaccines carefully for side effects now and will continue to study them for many years. Myth: the COVID-19 vaccine is being made with fetuses or unborn babies. There are no fetal cells in any of the COVID-19 vaccines. Some of the vaccines used fetal cells at some point when they were being made or studied. These cells have been used for research since the 1970s, and no new abortions were done for the specific reason of making these vaccines. Getting the vaccine will help other members of your community stay well. Myth: there's a government tracking chip in the vaccine. None of the vaccines contain any sort of tracking chip. Myth: the vaccine is too expensive to get. No Missouri resident or anyone living in the United States is charged for the COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine providers must give the vaccine to all, even people who do not have health insurance. The vaccine is free for everyone, regardless of legal status or income. It has been paid for by the government. Vaccines are the reason we do not get sick from diseases like polio or mumps, or die early from diseases like smallpox or tetanus. Getting the COVID-19 vaccine is a great way to protect yourself, your family, and your community from getting sick with COVID-19. Get the COVID-19 vaccine. For more information on where you can get the vaccine, visit the link above with the interactive map showing vaccination sites near you. For more information regarding COVID-19, visit the link below.